the last elections of assembly, that night, when the General Secretary, Mr. Digvijay Singh, did not allow me to hand over the letter to the governor for the formation of the Congress party, Congress government, sorry. When Digvijay Singh did not allow, I, as a protest, resigned from the PCC, asked them to accept my earlier resignation as a PCC president, and I have, as a protest, refused to take the leader of the CLP and the leader of opposition. I have refused, even though I had the highest number of votes, nearly 12 to 13 votes out of 17. I refused because I said I will do the work in my constituency. They had promised that they will form the government within 24 hours. Now 24 months has passed, but I still have got a patience for our Congress party to form the government. But I have not interfered, and I don't want to interfere, nor I want to contest the election.
लोकसभेक रावपाचो प्लान ना म्हूण लुईझीन सांगता.
I have neither applied, I am nor interested, nor requested, because I have got enough work here to look after my constituency. I know a lot of people want.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साव्यो डायस.